So आज हमारे साथ प्रभात सर हैं, हिंदी के टीचर, एंड मिस निधि मैडम फ्रॉम चाणक्य द ग्लोबल स्कूल फॉर इंटेलेक्चुअल, and she is the biology teacher. Currently we have installed digital AR VR innovation lab in which we are going to cover entire your syllabus curriculum. So can you elaborate little bit more how it will be helpful for the student, because this particular school is already affiliated to Cambridge International Curriculum and Cambridge International Boards and all. As you have experience all the things in terms of the training and all, so can you elaborate little bit more how it will be helpful for the student as per the Cambridge curriculum?
Sure. Whatever our topic was about, like how we are being using IOFT with our Cambridge curriculum, it is basically following our Cambridge attributes, which is very important in basis of Cambridge education. For Cambridge, we are using 5 attributes, which is very important for a school to follow that particular kind of rule. The first attribute is about being confident. We try to make our children be confident. So whenever children will be performing the virtual activities, they will be confident enough to do certain kinds of activities or experiments. Then our next attribute is about being responsible, because as they are doing many kinds of activities which is related to IOFT, they will be ready to explore it and they will be ready to apply the knowledge. That is how they will be responsible. Then next is about being reflective, so they can use it in their futures, like whenever it is very beneficial for their career. The next part is about being innovative because as it's a world of AI, so here we are using it in the terms of VR tools. Whatever we are using, it makes our student to be confident enough and to apply it, which makes the learning innovative. Because Cambridge curriculum is basically focusing on research based learning, not only just learning or rote learning. We are not doing that. We are just focusing on the application based learning. So being in contact with VR tools also, it makes them to experience their virtual world. And the last part which we are following, that it is connected to our Cambridge, is being engaged, because all the learners will be engaged while doing this kind of activities. So obviously they will be in touch of the growing world, as well as they will be in touch with the content also. So it will be like the betterment of their life in both the terms, that is their academics also and in terms of AI life also.
तो सर रिसेंटली हमने स्कूल में डिजिटल इनोवेशन AR VR AI रोबोटिक्स के इनोवेशन लैब इंस्टॉल किए। सो आपको क्या लगता है एज बीइंग अ हिंदी के टीचर, कैसे ये चीज हिंदी में और हिंदी सब्जेक्ट्स में उसके लिए स्टूडेंट को कैसे हेल्पफुल रहेगा?
ये जो स्टूडेंट है ये पढ़ने में उतना इंटरेस्टेड अभी थोड़े से कम हो गए हैं, क्योंकि उनके हाथ में मोबाइल वगैरह ज़्यादा रहता है, तो उनका इंटरेस्ट थोड़ा सा पुरानी पद्धति जो है, हमने क ख ग ओरली बोला तो प्रॉपर रिस्पांस नहीं करते। जो बच्चे रिस्पांस करना है वो करते हैं, पर जो स्लो लर्नर है वो प्रॉपर रिस्पांस देते नहीं है। तो मेरे हिसाब से अगर ये सारी चीज़ें बच्चों के सामने आती है तो उनके लिए एक तरह से नयापन होगा सीखने के लिए, और बच्चे कुछ नई चीज़ें देखते तो उसकी तरफ आकर्षित बहुत जल्दी होते हैं। तो ये चीज़ उनको आकर्षित करेगी अपनी तरफ। और इसमें मैंने देखा है, एक्सपीरियंस लिया है कि स्टेप बाय स्टेप इसमें आगे बढ़ना होता है। अगर हम कोई भी एक स्टेप गलत करते हैं तो हमें बताया जाता है कि इसके आगे इस तरीके से करना है, तो बच्चे इससे जल्दी सीखेंगे। जैसे मात्रा वगैरह है, उनको क ख ग प्रॉपर कैसे लिखना है, उस हिसाब से भी अगर हम इंस्ट्रक्शन दें यहाँ पे तो कर सकते, बहुत आसानी से, बहुत आनंददायक पद्धति से सीखना वो पसंद करेंगे। मुझे लग रहा बच्चे इसमें इंटरेस्ट लेंगे, तो मुझे ये बहुत अच्छी चीज़ लगी। और फर्स्ट टाइम मैं देख रहा हूँ कि पालघर स्कूल में इस तरीके का कोई भी चीज़ हमारे स्कूल में दिखाई दिया है। ठीक है, तो ये मैनेजमेंट की मैं यहाँ पे बहुत तारीफ करूँगा कि उन्होंने ऐसा कदम लिया हमारे बच्चों के फ्यूचर को ध्यान में रखते हुए, क्योंकि आने वाला फ्यूचर कुछ ऐसा ही होने वाला है। तो ये एक अच्छा पहल होगा।
Miss Nidhi madam, one thing is very much important, as you know, whenever we are going to focus on any school, that is like parents part. Okay, so if you want to give any of the message in your surrounding means in the Palghar region itself, to the parents about this particular digital innovation lab and as well as this Cambridge international affiliation kind of a things. Okay, so what message you can give to the parents, how it can be helpful for their child if they are going to take admission into your Chanakya, the global school for intellectual?
Before telling this, I would first like to thank the management for taking this great step towards making our learners being responsible and making them to connect with the IOFT, because the main thing is it is allowing our children to be in both in virtual world. That is because nowadays we are seeing children are getting distracted with their phones and every applications, but here we are using the application in the correct manner. So in this case they are being in touch with the curriculum also, as well as with the VR tools and everything. We are helping them to building their using the correct way of application. So this will be making the children first of all focus into their career, because whenever they will be doing such kind of activities and experimentations, they will be focused, as well as it will be developing their career, so which will be increasing their interest in, obviously in a healthy way, instead of being distracted by any kind of thing.
एक सिंपल क्वेश्चन जो हर एक स्कूल से आप रिलेट कर सकते हो, इंडिया में जितने भी स्कूल्स हैं और स्कूल्स में जितने भी टीचर्स हैं, रैंडमली आप देखोगे तो मैक्सिमम स्कूल्स में जो टीचर हैं वो कभी भी अपने बच्चे को स्कूल्स में पढ़ाना नहीं चाहते, क्योंकि उनको स्कूल्स के बारे में सब कुछ पता होता है. ये स्कूल्स में ये चीज़ ऐसी चल रही है, वो स्कूल्स में वो चीज़ वैसी चल रही है. अगर हर स्कूल्स के अंदर इस तरह का डिजिटल इनोवेशन लैब इंस्टॉल हो जाए और हर स्टूडेंट्स को ये चीज़ मिले, अगर आपका ही बच्चा ऐसे स्कूल्स में जाके पढ़े तो आपको कैसे फील होगा? एज ए पेरेंट के नजरिए से आप क्या देखते हो?
ठीक है, बहुत अच्छी सुविधा है यहाँ पे. इस तरीके से बच्चा, मैंने पहले ही आपको कहा कि इंटरेस्ट उसका जगेगा. बहुत से बच्चे जो नीरस बच्चे होते हैं, एक तरह से स्लो लर्नर जिसको हम कहते हैं, ठीक है, वो उनको टारगेट कर सकते इस तरह, इस रोबोटिक्स के स्टडी के थ्रू हम उसको टारगेट कर सकते हैं, उस बच्चे के अंदर इंटरेस्ट जगा सकते हैं. हाँ, बच्चा खुद, उसे ऐसा लगेगा कि वो मोबाइल की दुनिया में ही घूम रहा है, क्योंकि कुछ चीजें वैसी ही है, जॉयस्टिक है इसके अंदर, उस तरीके से कंट्रोलर है. तो मुझे लगता है कि बच्चे बहुत जल्दी अडॉप्ट करेंगे और इंटरेस्ट के साथ उस चीज को सीखेंगे, तो लाइफ टाइम उनके दिमाग में वो चीज स्थायी रूप से बैठ जाएगी, तो वो सीख सकते हैं अच्छे तरीके से.
As Chanakya, the global school for intellectual, is planning to conduct one of the events in their school itself for the parents or as well as kids. What about your thinking?
I think parents will be also very happy, because this is, I think we are the first IDC school who is launching this in Palghar. Like, we are focusing on the curriculum, but the main thing is we are also trying to apply the natural, like AI also, because like generally we all are using ChatGPT and everything, which is like common AI tools which we are using. So according to me, like if we are using this kind of technology, if we are using it, obviously it is a plus point for the school as well as student also. So I don't think parents will have any problem. They will be like feeling very lucky that their kid is going to learn this in this school.
So as you experience about our robot also, that is Reoft robot, IOFT robots, so what's your simple thoughts on this particular robot and how it will going to helpful for the entire Chanakya school?
Basically this Reoft robo is nothing but it's like a walking AI. So whenever any parents want to ask any kind of questions, if they are having any doubts regarding to IGCSE board or Cambridge board, they can directly ask to Reoft, which will be, that is he or she, whatever he is, will be creating all the type of doubts which the person or parent are having. So it's basically whatever, like generally we are using ChatGPT for asking questions. Instead of that, Robo can help us in the basis that they will ask question to it, like what is Cambridge. So they will be getting like proper related, like research based answers based on their questions.
Thank you so much for your time being a part of IOFT podcast, and in future also we are going to give many things in terms of a training and all, and we just want to create one of the digital revolution in Chanakya, the global school for intellectual. Okay, thank you so much.